is as inspiration to my fellow college education students and to my students to tell them that education is something that is their strength to endure life. And I will tell them that maybe they can have money, fame, or power, but those things are something that can be taken away from them. But education will always stay on top of that. That's all.
Communication and so as giving a respectful and honest environment towards the students, and so as promoting or strengthening the academic learning of the students.
If there were no rules in principles and strategies of future one. So, I hope you are very excited that you want to be a teacher. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so one of the most newest term in teaching is being a global teacher. Okay, so who define global teacher, and do you have the qualities of a global teacher?
Well, being a globally competitive teacher is one of the characteristics that a teacher should have. Why? Because we can promote our country, and we can represent our college of education, not just in our university but to other university, and we can if we can go to abroad, overseas, we can teach them, and that's the thing.
Number 7. Next candidate, candidate number 2.
Hi, magandang hapon sa candidate number 2. So ito ang aking katanungan. Sa tingin mo, ang pagdadagdag ba ng taon sa pag-aaral o ang pag-iimplementa ng K-12 ay nakakatulong sa pagpapaunlad ng karunungan ng kabataang Pilipino, at bakit?
Naniniwala ako na ang pagdadagdag ng 2 taon sa pag-aaral ng mga mag-aaral ay nakakatulong upang mas mahubog ang kanilang kakayahan para sa ikabubutan o para sa maiaabot nila sa ating ekonomiya.
Thank you, candidate number 2. And for our next candidate, candidate number 5.
Good afternoon. If you will be winning the crown tonight, what will be the very first thing that you will do?
If I'm gonna win the pageant today, I will be a good representation of being a good teacher, because the College of Education, represents the future teachers of our nation. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 5. for that answer. The last but not least, our candidate number 8.
Hello. What is that something you've done that you will never do again? What is that something you have done that you will never do